Hello everybody, I'm back again with another Christmas video. I'm going to show you how to make snowman out of cardboard. This is Everyday Life DIY and welcome to my channel. So this is my cardboard that I'm going to use. I have different types of circular objects that will be part of my snowman. So first I have a cup that's a bit big and this will form the base of my snowman. The second circular object is a candle holder thingy, and I'm just using the lid because it's a bit smaller compared to the cup. And the head of my snowman will be the smallest. And this was the smallest object I could find around my house. I think it's a container containing mustard seed something inside. I don't even know. And right now I'm going to proceed to cut the circles that I've made. And yeah, as you can see, the cardboard was a little bit tough, so I had to poke holes on it to make it a bit flexible for me to use a pair of scissors to cut. And please be careful using sharp objects like these, because any small move can lead to something going wrong. The first thing that could go wrong is cutting yourself, and the second thing would be cutting into the circle that you've worked so hard to form. You'll do the same with the other circles. Just cleaning it up. And finally, these are the circles that I have. One is small, then smaller, and the smallest is up there. You can use any object that you have around your house as long as there are 3 different sizes. And now I'm going to use a paper, a white sheet of paper. And I'll make sure I have the right size. And this will cover the cardboard. And go ahead and cut it. For the middle part, I did not use the lid this time. I used the holder itself because I knew it was a bit smaller than the lid, and I wanted the brown part of the cardboard to show. And I'll be using office glue, just the normal glue, to glue the white papers onto the cardboard. Do the same with the middle part and the top part. And now that we are done, we're going to assemble them. And I'm using my glue gun to make sure that it sticks pretty well. Just like that, it stuck. You see how strong it is? And then I'll go ahead and put the head there, just like that. Pretty easy. I went ahead and drew my snowman's face with a smiling. I added something small there to look like it's smiling. And now I'm measuring the hands, because I'm going to use cardboard for the hands as well. The arm. And then I'll go ahead and use my glue gun to glue the hand. I don't know why I keep saying hand, yet I think it's an arm. Snowmen don't have hands. And I'll go ahead and do the same on the other side. Now that the arms are attached, I'll go ahead and cut out the hat that's going to go on top of the snowman, just like that, using my glue gun again to attach the hat. It looks pretty. And as you can see, my snowman has two sides, the upper part and the bottom part, just in case you want to hang it on your Christmas tree and it goes round and round, then at least it has two sides. Now I'll go ahead and attach my bow. This will be the string that I'll use for hanging on my Christmas tree. Just making sure that it's steady. And there's my snowman with two sides. Adding an African touch to it, I'm going to use my kente material to decorate it, use it as a scarf, or maybe I didn't like how it turned out on the other side, so I decided to just do a bow instead, and I'll use the other material on the hat. And I went ahead and created my bow just like that and pinned it on to the snowman. Now onto the hat. I used the same glue to put it on the hat, just like that. Doing my best to smoothen everything out. So that's the end product. But first I need to smoothen the bow tie. So I just cut off the excess. You can leave it as long as you can leave it the way you want, but I wanted mine to be a little bit short, and for it not to fray further, I put some glue on it and folded it. Yeah, I'm cutting off the frayed pieces. I did the same on this other side. Do you want to build a snowman? But with cardboard.